Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one, okay? So I would Jordan 把你的东西放下。在上课呢，我们今天要上的内容 okay? So today we're going to learn something about grade 8 math. 哦，肯定小朋友说哇，老师肯定很难，对不对？Okay, I'm going to tell you it's not hard at all. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. I want to prove it to you. See, it's grade 8, okay? So I think all of you in my class know what is number line except Anna, right? Anna's new here, so she maybe doesn't know what is number line. So I wanted Jordan Q tell me what is number line.
It's a line that represents like each number.
Oh, to represent
Like
each number, that's right. But do you have something more detailed?
Like a line that has a number. The line can basically be infinite because they're like infinite numbers until we can't put them into words. But like zeros in the middle, and then sometimes it will go to the left side, like into the negative. Sometimes it won't.
Okay, so the most important, very important thing, everybody, for the number line, there's a middle one, right? How can I change the color? Oh my God. Oh, that's right. The middle one is 0. Correct, everybody? Okay, Anna. So on the right side, so the number is getting bigger. If you're going from left to right. Okay, so Eleanor, if I'm going from right to left, so every number is getting what? Getting smaller or getting bigger?
Smaller.
Getting smaller. Very good. Okay. So for this one, so on the right side of 0, they are 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are positive. On the left side, they're -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay. So I'm also going to tell you, so this one is called a greater. And this is greater than or equal. This is smaller than, and smaller than or equal, and this one calls equal. Okay, we always read it from left to right. That's why it's greater. So this one, 5 is greater than 3. Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, so now we're going to talk about the other one, okay? So this one is, if I want to ask box full of burgers, not booger. 5 plus 3 equals what?
8.
Very good. Then how about -5 plus 3?
-8.
Okay, so box full of burgers at -8. So let's take a look at this one. Why 5 times 3 equals 8? Let's take a look at this one.
-2.
Okay, so Eleanor think is -2. And Jordan, what's your thinking? What do you think?
-2.
-2. So Jordan also think it's -2. And Anna, can you give me the answer?
For the first question?
-5 plus 3.
Oh. -2.
You think it's -2 as well, okay? So Alexander, what do you think? Alexander, you didn't turn on the camera. Oh, sorry, you didn't turn on the mic. Right now, it is.
What?
Can you tell me -5 plus 3 equals what?
-8.
You think it's -8 as well. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So when we're doing the calculation, everybody, you should have a number line, okay? So let's see. 5 plus 3, how do we do it? So you first to find out what is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And plus 3 is 1, 6, 7, and 8. Let's see. So you have 5, right? Plus 3. So 1, 2, 3. So when you are doing plus, a number plus a number, so you're going from left to right. Correct, Jordan? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. When it's minus, for instance, we have 5 minus 3 equals what? So starting with 5, and minus 3 is from right to left. So 1, 2, 3. So that's y equals 2. So everybody, let's see, negative 5. So we have negative 5, we find it here. It's plus 3. So it's moving from left to right. So 1, 2, and 3. So what is the answer? Negative 2 is the right answer. Very good. So we have 3 students get it right. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now I want everybody to just do this on the whiteboard, okay? So I'm going to give you a couple different questions, and I want you to do this one, okay? So 8 minus plus negative 9. Everybody, so let's take a look at this one. Why in this case we have plus and minus together? So Eleanor, can we have plus and minus together?
No.
No, of course not. So when you have plus and minus happened together, you need to do what? You need to do 8 minus 9.
Minus 9.
Plus meet minus equals minus. Okay, everybody, please write down. Plus meet minus equals minus.
One hour.
Okay, so everybody, now let's take a look at this one. We have 8 minus negative 9 equals what?
Negative 1.
Everybody, when negative meet negative equals what? Equals positive. Okay, so this one, negative 1, very good. This one is 8 plus 9 equals 17. Okay, please copy it down. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we're going to do some practice for those questions. Okay, so first one, 3 plus negative 4. Number 2, 3 minus negative 4. Number 3, 3 plus negative 5. And next one, 3 minus negative 5. Okay, so 4 questions. When you finished, please send it to me.
I send it to you. Sending it to you.
OK，要确定做对哦。 Okay, Jordan, I have received your answer and congratulations. They're all right. Good job. Okay, so the rest of you, please send it to me.
Miss Carrie, I send it to you.
Okay. Okay, a box full of booger. Good job, you're right. Though the name is very disgusting.
Burgers, not burgers.
Booger,
It's burgers.
booger.
Can't stop. I'll send it to you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I still see some questions is not right, okay? So let's take a look at the first question, okay? So let me ask Eleanor. So 3 plus -4. So there's a plus and a minus, so equals what? 3,
Plus minus equal minus.
3 minus 4, correct?
Mm.
Okay, so 3 minus 4 equals what?
-1.
Very good. -1. Good job. Next one, a box full of booger. Can you tell me 3 minus -4 equals what?
7, because it's 3 plus 4 equals 7.
Very good. Good job. Next one, Alexander. 3 plus -5 equals what?
-2.
Why? Because it's 3 plus or -5?
-5.
-5. Very good. Okay, so 3 minus 5 equals what? Three minus 5 equals -2. Good job, Alexander. Last one, Anna. Can you tell me, so 3 minus -5 equals what?
3 minus -5 is -2.
So 3
Wait.
minus, when you see
Oh.
minus, minus. When you see 2 minus putting together, you should do
It's
what?
plus.
Yeah,
So
so when
then it
negative, so
equals to
3 plus
8.
5, so equals what?
8.
Very good. Get it? Okay, so next one, okay? So let's take a look at the next one. So if I have a -4 plus 2, how do we do it? So you're gonna see this number is a -2 plus 2. So let me ask Eleanor. So the negative is more or the positive is more?
Negative. Positive.
Negative is more. Very good. So all you need to do is just to put a negative sign here. Okay, negative is more than positive. So more than positive by how much? 4 minus 2 equals 2. So you're done. Get it, Jordan? Okay, we're going to see which number is bigger first. Anna, -5 plus 8. Let me ask you. So -5 and +8. Which one is bigger?
8.
8.
Positive is bigger, right? So this number must be positive. Understand? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, so the 8 is bigger than 5 by how much? 8 minus 3 equals, sorry, 8 minus 5 equals 3. So it's +3. Get it, Anna? Okay, box full of, sorry, Alexander. Let's take a look at this one. -6 plus 3. So let me ask you, this number is negative or positive? Hello, Alexander? Alexander, seriously,
Negative.
can we just stop?
Negative.
Yeah, negative. Can you just keep your mic on all the time? Because every time I call your name, it's going to be a long time waiting. Okay? Yeah, just to turn it on all the time. I don't want to wait that much time. Okay? So let me ask you, it's negative 6 and positive 3. So which one is bigger? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Very good. So it's a negative number. So the negative is bigger than positive by how much?
3.
So box full of burger is named Alexander today.
Yes.
So equals negative 3. Understand, Anna? Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so negative 5 plus 7, negative 11 plus 7, negative 25 plus 11, and negative 64 plus 32.
Sent it to.
Okay, so the first one, negative 5 plus 7. Eleanor, could you please tell me the answer, the first one?
Positive 2.
Yes, it's positive 2 because it's positive and 2, correct? Very
Yes.
good. Okay, next one. Negative 11 plus 7. I want to call Alexander. Could you please tell me the answer?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Good job, Alexander. Next one, Jordan. Negative 25 plus 11.
Negative 14.
Negative 14. Very good. Last one, Amelia. Negative 64 plus 32.
Negative 32.
Negative 32. Very good. Understand, Anna? Okay, so now let's take a look at the next part. Okay, so if we have two negative minus together, so all of them are negative, so they must be negative. So it's negative 5. When you see two negative, and it must be plus them together. So negative 9 minus 7 equals negative 16. Negative 8 minus 8 equals negative 16.
Negative 16.
Negative 100 minus negative 150 equals negative 2.
Negative 200.
Very good. So this one's very easy, right? So everybody, 1, 2, 3. So 3, yeah. 3 and 4. Okay. So let's see.
这washroom.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so Anna，等你去之前先回答一个问题。我们先把第三题做了，第三题最简单。-4 minus 5 equals what？
Equals
那你前面不是都会的吗？你不是说你都会的吗
-9.
-9 good job. OK，你可以去上厕所。以后上课之前先上厕所啊。OK, next one. Let me see. -9 minus 108. Jordan.
-96.
No? -9 minus 100. -100 and
17.
17. Yeah. Okay, so next one. -4 minus 92.
-96.
-96. Very good. Okay, last one. I would like to have Alexander. Can you tell me the answer?
-19.
-19. Very good. Okay, next one. Let's take a look at next one. Okay, so if we have already learned -a minus b equals -a plus b. We have learned -a plus b equals -a minus b, and positive a plus -b equals a minus b. Okay, so what is the last one? Positive a plus b equals a plus b. Get it, everybody? So basically, okay. So basically we have everything here like that. Okay, huh? Why we have this one? That's so weird. This one we don't want it. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to give you some questions that it's complex together. Okay, so for instance, we have -596 plus 630. For instance, we have -224 minus 336. For instance, we have 1/2 plus 1/3. For instance, we have half plus -1/3. Okay, everybody, 4 questions.
What are we doing?
Do the question and send it to me by chat.
Okay.
I have received Eleanor's. Oh, no, not yet.
Would I send it to you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
说的 3/3等于什么呀？啊，你要看看1/2加1/3，不是2/3加1/3啊。
I'm gonna send it now.
OK，
Just gonna send it to you.
OK，每个小朋友看一下第一道题目，我们所有的看到这个题目都要想到是什么？第一件事情想到它到底是正的还是负的 ？It's positive or negative?
Negative.
Yeah, the first question because the negative is big, smaller than the positive, right?
Yes. Can I go to the washroom?
Yeah. 为什么上课之前不去啊？去吧。Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. So first one, Eleanor, let me ask you. So we have a negative 596 and we have a positive 630. So this answer will be positive or negative?
Negative.
Very good. Okay, so all you need to do just is 630 minus 596, correct? Equals 24. So the answer is negative 24. No, sorry, positive. Sorry, it's positive. The positive is bigger than negative, so this one's positive 24. 34, sorry, 34. What I'm doing. 34. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at the next one. So both of them are negative. So Alexander, it's positive or negative?
Positive.
It's positive. Both of them are negative. Both of them are negative. Alexander? So they are negative because all of them are negative. So they're positive. They're negative. Understand? So if it is positive, Alexander is 224 minus negative 336 is positive because these two are meet each other. 它碰到了，这两个有没有碰到？没有碰到，它是两个负的数加起来。So it's negative 560. Understand, Alexander? Okay, so next one. Jordan, let me ask you. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 equals what?
Is it 3 over 3?
No. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 忘记怎么做啦？
I forgot.
5
5 over
One-
6.
Yeah, it must have in the denominator the same. So you have to do 2 times 3 and 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3 and 2 times 1. Get it? So when you times the bottom, you have to do the same thing on the top. So equal 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6 equals 5 over 6.
6.
Get it? Okay, so the next one is the same thing. It's 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6 equals 1.
1 over 6.
Okay, Alexander 只有一道题做错了，非常好。Okay, most of them are right. Let me see.
What about me?
Okay, 第一题做错了，对不对？Okay, so 第一题做错了，另外2、3道都对了。Okay, so Eleanor 第二题对了，这个有点忘了，对不对？我们所有的小朋友来复习一下 fraction, how to calculate the fraction. Okay, so Alexander, sorry, Jordan 记住了。Okay, so we have 1 over 4 plus 3 over 5. So everybody remember, in order to plus the two fraction, we need to make the bottom the same. So everybody, I'm going to copy this down. So how to make 4 and 5 became the same? Very easy. 4 times 5 and 5 times 4. Correct, everybody? Okay, so 5 over 20 plus 12 over 20. Correct? Everybody? So 17 over 20. We're done. I'm going to stop here and let you think about it, okay? So everybody, so I'm going to just to give you some questions. Half plus 3 over 5. Number 2, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Okay, everybody, 2 questions.
Do I send it to you?
Yes, please.
What do you say please every time?
I'm a polite person, I guess.
Wait, what if the sum of the numbers that are like the numbers that are above the bar are like added together bigger than the ones the denominator?
Yeah, I'm going to discuss about that later. You can just leave it like that for now. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. In order to make them the same, so boys and girls, I'm going to do 1/2 and 3/5, put it there, okay? So how to make 2 and 5 the same? Very easy. 2 times, I'm going to use a different color. 2 times 5 and 5 times 2. Correct, Anna? Okay, so I'm going to do this times 5 and this times 2. So equals what? Equals 5/10 plus 6/10 equals 11/10. OK， 不要变成 11/20 啊，这个下面是不加减的 ，OK， 下面是不加减的 ，understand？
You just leave it like that?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's take a look at that next one. So we have 3/4 and minus 1/2. So for this one, if you take a proper look, it's actually, we don't have to do anything for this one because in order to make 4 and 2 the same, I only need to times 2.
Both sides are the same.
Yeah, you just times 2, right? So 3/4 minus 2/4 equals 1/4. Get it, boys and girls? Okay, so let's just take a look at this one. Okay, so Eleanor, do you understand? Okay, so now we're going to do fraction and a negative together. Okay, everybody, just one question. Let me see how many of you will get it right.
Do I send it to you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm just curious, send it to you.
No. Amelia, you need to think about it. Is going to be positive or negative? Okay, so Jordan, you need to think. Jordan, you need to think about this answer will be negative or positive. If I give you this one, if I give you example, so -1 minus 2, were you making mistakes? So when this is a negative, when it's a like fraction, that's the same thing.
Okay. Okay. I tried to fix my mistake.
Very good, Jordan. Good job. You get it right. Good job. So with the comparison, you understand it, right?
No, it was that part.
Miss Curie, send it to you.
Okay. Eleanor 还是 Eleanor 不对啊。Anna 不对。Okay, so everybody, if I give you -1 minus to everybody, Anna, can you tell me the answer? Yeah, 没有人告诉我，那-1 minus 2等于多少？
3.
啊？那 1 plus 2也等于 3， -1 minus 2也等于 3。不对啊。-1 minus 2 equals what? So both of them are 1 negative and 2 negative. So there are 2 negative numbers plus to negative what? -3. OK， 好，我们再重新做一遍啊。-5 minus 5, -11 minus 5, -12 minus 5, -17 minus 17. OK, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anna，每个小朋友都要做啊。好了，那 Eleanor 老师问你，-4 minus 5，你知道怎么做吗？ This is a negative number and another negative number. 两个 negative number 放在一起还是 negative， 对不对？ So 4 plus 5 equals what? Equals 9, -9. Correct, Eleanor? Very good. Okay, number 2, Alexander, -11 minus 5 equals what?
-16.
Very good. Okay, next one, Anna, -12 minus 5 equals what?
-17.
-17, right? Okay, last one, box full of burger.
-34.
-34. Okay, so everybody, so -1 minus 2 equals what? negative 这些都会做的，-1 minus -2 等于-3，对不对？好了，那-half minus 1 over 3呢，还是一样的，negative still there, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over
1
3.
over 6.
So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 equals what? Everybody, please do it yourself.
-1 over 6.
No, 不对，1/2加1/3等于1/6
5 over 6.
啊？
5 over 6.
对啊，5 over 6, so it's -5 over 6. Understand, everybody? OK， 再
Yes.
来一个啊，-1 over 2 minus 2 over 3. That's the first one. Second one, -4 minus 0.5. Okay, 2 questions. 好，Jordan。Very good, Jordan. Both of them are right. Good job. Congratulations. 虽然你还在玩魔方，老师准备来打你屁股。
Okay.
嗯哼。哎，没有，除了 Jordan 以外，没有人做出来答案。Alexander, good job, very good. Alexander 也对了，来，3个女生加油了。他除了这个不会做啊，那老师现在给你们做一下 ，OK? So both of them are negative, so it's negative, negative what? Negative 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3, correct? So it's negative 1 over 2 times 3, this is times 3, and plus 2 times 3 and 2 times 2. So equals negative 7 over 6. Good job, Booger. So next one is negative 4 minus 0.5 is negative 4.5. Okay, get it, everybody? So this is we learned today, okay? So the fraction part is a little bit hard, but I think most of you can get it right. Okay, good job, Alexander. Good job, Jordan. Both of you get it all right for these two questions. Anna, I want you to make sure like you understand the thing, okay? So
What about the decimal?
the decimal, that's the same thing, and you only need to do. 那我问你，4加0.5你会做吗？对不对？它是两个都是负的，那肯定是负的呀。那你就要把这两个数加起来就可以了，对不对？Okay, so that's the same. That's the same thing. So negative 1 minus 2 equals negative 1 plus 2. So negative 4 minus 0.5 equals negative 4 plus 0.5. Correct, everybody? Just don't forget to bracket. Okay, so everybody, that's it for today's class. I'm going to send you the homework. Okay, so 你看我这里多了一个头发，你看，像不像猴子？Okay, so that's it for today's class, everybody, and see you next week. Okay, bye-bye.